We are live finally. Welcome back to another live stream. I know, I know. I've been live streaming for, I was not live streaming for some time. I was sort of busy. Try to understand, but finally we're back, understanding every basic, everything about the BTC. एंड कल को जो मंडे का मार्केट ओपन होगा उसमें किस तरीके से गोल्ड भी प्ले कर सकता है एंड गोल्ड की मूवमेंट्स कहाँ पर किस तरीके से तुम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, दैट इज़ वॉट वी आर डूइंग टुडे. ठीक है, सो फाइनली वर लाइव अगेन. लेट मी शेयर द लिंक ऑन द यूट्यूब. ओके, आई गॉट द नोटिफिकेशन दैट आई एम फकिंग लाइव. सो आई वांट पीपल टू पुल अप एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, जल्दी 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 जल्दी. ठीक है. एक बार मैं लिंक शेयर कर देता हूँ एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि मैं लाइव हूँ. ठीक है, आई एम शेयरिंग दिस लिंक ऑन दिस ग्रुप, दैट इज़ आवर ग्रुप. ओके, द लिंक इज़ देयर. ऑल राइट, इज़ एवरीबडी हियर? इज़ एवरीबडी ओके? व्हाट्स अप विद यू ऑल? क्या चल रहा है सबका? सब बढ़िया? टेल मी, इज़ एवरीथिंग ऑल राइट? एंड चैट में आ जाओ सारे लोग, फटाफट चैट में आ जाओ. Are you guys able to see me clearly? Is it visible to you? Is it all good? Is it all good for you guys? ठीक है, सो आज का बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर एजेंडा होगा. दैट इज़ BTC फॉर श्योर एंड इथेरियम, एंड विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सम ग्लोबल न्यूज़, what can happen in the market. Cool, let me see, is everything all right? How come there are 3 likes and no people as of now? Come fast, join, this is the time for everyone. Okay, boom bakla, chalo. Done with boom bakla, done with this, done with that. Let's come to the business. Okay, chalo, finally sub live, everything is sorted, and now we are coming to the BTC, how BTC is gonna move today and the recent times. All right, just a second. Is everyone back? Just a second, boys. How you guys doing? कैसे चल रहा है सारे लोगों का? Is everybody back finally? What did you all do when I was not here? And yes, before everything, I would like to share this trade. ठीक है, so ये trade हमने एक trade लिया था परसों, राइट, फ्राइडे को, एंड मैंने ये अपने कम्युनिटी में शेयर किया था. आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसके ट्रेड लिखे एंड दे मेड प्रॉफिट एज वेल. सारे स्क्रीनशॉट्स मुझे आ चुके हैं. थैंक यू सो मच जिन जिन लोगों ने स्क्रीनशॉट भेजे. दिस वाज द ट्रेड दैट वी टुक. ठीक है, मेरा जो टारगेट था वो यही तक था, बट सी हाउ द मार्केट मूव्ड फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, राइट, एंड हाउ डिड आई टेक दिस ट्रेड एंड व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट, और मुझे कैसे पता चला दैट इट वाज गोना गो अप, राइट. विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग. जस्ट अ सेकंड, आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, just hold on for a second. ठीक है, allow me some time. थोड़ा नीचे दिख रहा है क्या? लेट मी जस्ट सी, क्या थोड़ा नीचे दिख रहा है स्क्रीन? इज इट गुड नाउ? यप। सो मुझे बताओ फटाफट कौन तुम किसने किसने वो ट्रेड फॉलो किया था? लेट मी चेक। विल स्टार्ट, ठीक है? जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, ओके? आई एम लॉगिंग इन माई अकाउंट। मेरा लॉग आउट हो गया था, आई एम जस्ट लाइक ट्राइंग टू डू दैट। हॉटस्टार, नॉट हॉटस्टार, सॉरी, MT5। ओके, चलो शुरू करते हैं। ओके शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है. Sorry for the delay, sorry for everything, but we're starting very soon, and yes, here we are, we're back in the game, ठीक है. First of all, I would like to thank you all for the patience and everything. I was doing something, ठीक है. So personally मैं आपको बता दूँ, आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? आवाज़ आ रही है? आवाज़ आ रही है? Are you guys able to hear me? Okay, is everything all right? Okay, cool, everything is all right. So ठीक है, let's come to the point. Basically 2 दिन से स्ट्रीम नहीं हुआ था, right? Finally we are back and this is the trade जो हमने दिया था. The reason behind this trade is very simple, ठीक है. मैं तुमको एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ and then we'll jump to the BTC, ठीक है. You need to understand that अगर तुम गोल्ड में आओगे, गोल्ड में लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए तुमको अभी ये वाला सिनेरियो दिख रहा है, ठीक है. गोल्ड इज ट्राइंग टू अचीव द ऑल टाइम हाई एंड वी आर वेरी क्लोज टू द ऑल टाइम हाई. ओके, दिस इज द ओवरऑल सिनेरियो. गोल्ड हैज़ बिन बुलिश फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, ठीक है. जब ये डेट देख रहे हो तुम 3 ऑफ जान, राइट. 3 ऑफ जान से गोल्ड कंटिन्यूसली एक अच्छे खासे मूवमेंट भी तुमको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है एंड दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. ओके, वी टुक दिस ट्रेड ऑन अ वेरी बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी क्विकली, ठीक है. मैं इसको 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे लेके जाता हूँ ताकि तुमको अच्छे से पता चले कि व्हाट आई एम रियली ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट और व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू रियली से, ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. जो लोग ज्वाइन करें, ठीक है. जो लोग ग्रुप में है फटाफट मैसेज कर दो कि ये ट्रेड तुमको मिला था और ये ट्रेड तुमने लिया था. ओके, तुमको एक बेसिक लॉजिक पता चलेगा इस ट्रेड के पीछे. सिंपल, मार्केट एक स्ट्रक्चर में था, राइट. इट केम डाउन टू कॉल द लिक्विडिटी दैट वाज देयर, ओके, एंड देन इट वाज सपोज टू गो अप डेफिनेटली, राइट. बट यहाँ पे तुम देखोगे एक अच्छा खासा यहाँ पर सपोर्ट यहाँ पर तुमको देखने को मिल रहा होगा एंड इस सपोर्ट पे मार्केट बार बार टैप इन कर रहा था. अगर नीचे से देखोगे एक अच्छा यहाँ से ट्रेंड लाइन हमेशा मार्क हो रहा था, राइट. सो व्हाट इज दिस स्ट्रक्चर? अगर इफ़ यू डोंट नो अबाउट द वन थिंग दैट इज I tell you every fucking time, that is accumulation, manipulation and then distribution. This trade was completely on the basis of that, ठीक है. If you don't know that, you are missing out on lot. तुम बहुत सारे ट्रेड मिस आउट करोगे. तुम बहुत सारे ट्रेड्स में ऐसी जगह पे एंट्री लोगे जहाँ पर तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस डेफिनेटली हंट होगा, राइट. सो व्हाट इज़ द वन थिंग दैट यू रियली नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर, दैट व्हाट इज़ अक्यूमुलेशन, व्हाट इज़ मैनिपुलेशन, व्हाट इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, और उसको तुम डबल डाउन करके किस तरीके से प्ले आउट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. वेरी क्लियर, वेरी सिंपल, ठीक है. अक्यूमुलेशन मैनिपुलेशन मैंने हमेशा तुमको बोला है, अंडरस्टैंड दिस. मैं क्विकली तुमको बता देता हूँ. दिस इज अक्यूमुलेशन फेज, राइट. मार्केट आता है इस लेवल पे, मार्केट हमेशा इस जगह पे अक्यूमुलेट करता है. ओके, चलो ये हमारा अक्यूमुलेशन फेज हो गया, राइट. चाहे वो इस तरीके का अक्यूमुलेशन हो, चाहे वो इस तरीके का अक्यूमुलेशन हो, राइट. जहाँ पे दो अगर मैं लाइन मार्क करूँ, राइट, दिस टाइप, ठीक है. दिस अक्यूमुलेशन और दैट अक्यूमुलेशन, यहाँ पर भी सेम चीज़ होगी. यहाँ पे मार्केट आएगा, इट्स गोना डू दिस, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल अक्यूमुलेशन, राइट. इसके बाद क्या होगा? द नेक्स्ट फेज विल बी, अंडरस्टैंड दिस कैन बी लाइक दिस, दिस कैन बी लाइक दिस. तो अंडरस्टैंड दिस, किस तरीके से हम इसको प्ले आउट करेंगे. अब मैं इसको हटा देता हूँ तुम लोग को. आई होप यू गाइज आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. जब मार्केट इस जोन में आता है, हमेशा मार्केट एक ब्रेकआउट देता है. मान लो यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट मिला है, राइट. सो डेफिनेटली मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग कि चल ठीक है, ये अच्छा सेटअप बना है, मार्केट वॉज अक्यूमुलेटिंग, यहाँ पे सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस बना है, यहाँ पर ब्रेकआउट मिला है, चलो ठीक है मैं यहाँ से सेल कर देता हूँ. लोग यहाँ से बेसिकली सेल कर देते हैं, उनका स्टॉप लॉस इस लेवल पे होता है. XYZ, दिस इज योर टारगेट, राइट. दिस इज द मोस्ट ट्रेडर, what most trader can do or most trader will do at this point. जहाँ पर एक ब्रेकआउट मिला, मैक्सिमम what they'll wait, मैक्सिमम what they'll wait in this structure, ठीक है. अगर ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म हो रहा है, मैक्सिमम they'll wait कि अगर मार्केट इस लेवल पे जाता है फिर से, दैट इज what is this, right. दिस इज रीटेस्ट, राइट. मार्केट रीटेस्ट करने जा रहा है एंड देन दे कैन प्लान समथिंग फ्रॉम हियर. दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि यहाँ से कुछ अच्छा खासा हो सकता है, राइट. वो लोग मान लो यहाँ से फिर से सेल करते हैं इस लेवल से, ठीक है. व्हाट इज दिस? आफ्टर व्हाट? आफ्टर द ब्रेकआउट एंड द रीटेस्ट, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर एंड इस तरीके से तुम यहाँ पर ट्रेड प्लेस करोगे, राइट. बट व्हाट हैपेंस? दिस इज जस्ट अ मैनिपुलेशन. ये एक्चुअल में ब्रेकआउट है ही नहीं, राइट. दिस इज नॉट अ ब्रेकआउट, दिस इज जस्ट मार्केट ट्राइंग टू मैनिपुलेट यू एंड दिस इज वेयर मोस्टली पीपल लूज मनी, ठीक है. व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट? यहाँ पे अक्यूमुलेशन हो गया, यहाँ पे मैनिपुलेशन हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट लेवल विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो मार्केट विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एट दिस लेवल, इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. मार्केट विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एट दिस लेवल. You need to understand that how really it plays out, right. This will be your next thing. मार्केट यहाँ पे आएगा, and this is how market moves, right? On this structure only, this was a trade. ये हमने trade place किया था, right? This whole area was a manipulation. You're getting my point? This whole area was a manipulation. And बहुत सारे लोगों ने यहाँ से sell किया होगा, but मैंने कहाँ से buy किया? Understand this from where I bought this, right? जैसे ही मुझे ये वाला रिजेक्शन मिला ये स्कैंडल का, राइट, आई बॉट इट बिकॉज आई न्यू इट वॉज अ मैनिपुलेशन दैट मार्केट इज नॉट गोना गो डाउन, इट हैज़ टू गो अप बिकॉज ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर इज अ बाय साइड स्ट्रक्चर, राइट, एंड दिस इज वॉट वी गॉट एंड दिस इज वॉट वी दिस इज द बेसिकली स्ट्रक्चर दैट वी गॉट. ठीक है, हाउ मच मनी वी मेड आउट ऑफ दिस? ऑलमोस्ट लाइक $900. $900 ऑन दिस ट्रेड. वेरी स्मार्ट ट्रेड. ये सारा ट्रेड मैंने अपने टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी में ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है. So if you are not part of it, go join and check that out very soon. ठीक है, this is the basic manipulation, accumulation and then distribution, and this is how it works, and you need to understand that as a trader. अगर तुम्हारी ये चीज़ नहीं पता है, you're gonna fail so many time, dude. So many time you're gonna fail. You're getting my point? So this is a structure. This is how it is. Got it? This was the gold cut trade that we took, and gold is at good level right now. What's gold gonna do? Gold will go to this level tomorrow, right? It might gap up from here. It might open from this level as well. Understand each and every point of view. Understand each and every what we call it scenario. ठीक है? Simple. Now come to the BTC. What is happening in the BTC? Let's go to the gold bigger time frame. This is where we always started, right? A big manipulation here. You'll be able to see today is Sunday, so you might see some good moves or you might not. ठीक है, it's all about might or might not. So what is the expectations right now from the gold, right? Gold is on good level, जहाँ पर एक अच्छा खासा structure यहाँ पर create हो रहा है, good support I would say. ठीक है, यहाँ पर too much manipulation at this level, right? It has to go up from this area most of the time. Otherwise, the second probability is it has to break this level, right? And what we can expect, this level, right? This is a lot of liquidity at this area, lot of liquidity pending at this area as well. You are able to understand? So this is how market can manipulate or come to this point. Okay, are we assuming anything? No. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna mark the highs and lows, right? The basic points. I think this is a very basic thing that everybody should do when they are coming in for the live trading. Okay, first you're gonna do the highs and lows, and then we can continue doing what we are doing. Cool. Chalo. First of all, let me do this. This is my current high that you can see on this time frame, and this is my current low, right? Market is not at that level right now, right? There has been a lot of manipulation before, but I'm not considering that as of now. I want the recent highs and recent low, and that is what we are trading right now. Cool. And then what happens? You come to this level, and there is a lot of liquidity pending at this area. Okay, now market is in discount zone. If you can see the overall structure, market is in discount zone, right? So what we do on the discount zone, we buy or sell, right? What we do on the discount zone, we always buy from the discount, and we sell from the premium. You're getting my point? So now we are in discount zone, but are we like directly gonna buy from here? No, right? It's gonna take a lot. सबके लिए इस level से good support, and it is in good level. It is on good level. ठीक है? So that is the structure, and wait for this one. What do you see? What do you see here at this point? Okay. Chalo, I need to mark my current lows and highs at this area as well. Okay, I'm interested in this area. Okay, I want market to come to this area. This is my zone. Okay, this is my area. I want BTC to come to this level. I need some sort of retracement from this area as well. Where is taking support? Is it? Is it taking support from this area? Let me see. Okay, so what is the structure right now? How we can trade BTC today, right? There is no news today, there is no freaking news. How you can utilize this level? Mm, I feel like good trend line that BTC is forming here. Okay, also this area, I really like this area. This area is very good. Okay, a good breakout from this area. Let me come to this 2 minute 5 minute time frame, and 5 minute time frame तुमको देखने को मिलेगा कि market is moving in that direction. Okay, and there is a good trend line that we can mark here. Okay, good setup. आज हम कुछ crazy कर सकते हैं BTC में. Trust me, after the 8 o'clock you will be able to see some good moves because tomorrow is Monday. Okay, tomorrow is Monday. I don't mind trading the whole night for market to move and take out some moves. ठीक है, it's been like, I think yesterday I didn't took any trade in BTC because I was busy the whole day, but today is the day that we can do something cool. It is already on the support. Okay, what is gonna do? It's gonna come fill this area very quickly. Okay, it's gonna come and fill this area very quickly. Okay, 5 minute time frame on BTC. जो लोग अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं स्ट्रीम, तुमको पता चलेगा, हमने बस अभी एक्सप्लेन किया था कि हमने ये ट्रेड किस तरीके से लिया था, जो हमने ट्रेड टेलीग्राम की जो कम्युनिटी हमारे उसमें शेयर किया था. मुझे मैसेज आए बहुत लोगों ने उसमें. देर इज़ वन ऑफ द गाय, ही मेड लाइक $600, some made $100, some made like $50 or something. Everybody took this trade and this was a trade. You're getting my point? Very nice trade. Just a second, let me close all the windows. Cool. See, what is BTC doing right now? What is BTC doing right now? You see this structure, right? This structure is very much valid, very much nice, and definitely there was a support, one touch, right? You'll be able to see that this one, right? This one is there. BTC has took support more than 2 times. On third time, it just broke this level. This was the level. It broke this level. It's coming down to this level now. You're getting my point? It's coming down to that level. And now, what is the most accurate thing you will be able to see right now? Understand this, okay? We can expect this. Cool. This is the one thing that we can expect. Hello, bhai. Tiki. Hello, bhai. Welcome back to the stream. I don't know if you are first time or you have came before, but welcome to the stream. Chalo, ठीक है. This is what you are able to see right now. Go back to this and let me come to the live. Okay, so now there are two possibilities here. There are two possibilities. किस तरीके से तुम इसको ट्रेड कर सकते हो, right? The first thing that it might come to this level directly. Cool. This is the level that BTC is gonna come. Okay, what is gonna happen from here, right? Definitely it is gonna manipulate a little bit. अगर यहाँ से directly manipulate नहीं करता है, there are two things are gonna happen. Okay, this one thing, it's a strong support that market has took more than one time. Okay, there are 3 times that market has took support from this area. What is gonna happen? It's gonna come to this point. You'll be able to see this. Otherwise, it's gonna go up here and you'll be able to see this. You're getting my point? These are two possibilities that you'll be able to see right now. Okay, but just because यहाँ से breakout होता है, we're not gonna buy or sell. Just because यहाँ से breakout होता है, we're not gonna buy or sell, right? After that, BTC will create a great setup for us, and then we are ready to enter. Today is gonna be moves. नॉट लाइक कि आज BTC बिल्कुल ही धीरे मूव करेगा. देर आर गोना बी मूव्स इन द BTC. यू विल बी एबल टू सी दैट वेरी क्विकली. कूल. नाउ जस्ट फोकस ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर. यू सी दैट यहाँ पर अगर तुम देखोगे इस लेवल पे देर इज अ गैप. ओके, या थोड़ा लेट हो गया. माई बैड ब्रदर, माई बैड. दिस इज द लेवल. इस लेवल पे एक गैप दिख रहा है तुमको. what does the gap mean, right? So the gap means that there are some orders pending at this area. What market is gonna do? It will take these orders. तुम समझ रहे हो? It will take these orders. So right now what am I waiting for? क्या डायरेक्टली यहाँ से मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा बिकॉज यहाँ से सपोर्ट था? इट्स गोना क्रिएट लाइक दिस. जस्ट सेकेंड. क्या यहाँ पर तुमको ये स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलेगा? मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नॉट. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नॉट, राइट. डेफिनेटली जब इस एरिया पे आएगा BTC, इट विल मैनिपुलेट अ लिटिल बिट एंड इट विल इनवाइट फ्यू बायर्स एट दिस एरिया, राइट. फ्यू बायर्स को इनवाइट करेगा, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वहाँ से डायरेक्टली ऊपर जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग राइट नाउ. BTC शुड कम टू दिस पॉइंट एंड हिट दिस गैप अप फॉर दिस कैंडल. ठीक है, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स पेंडिंग है. वी आर एबल टू वी विल सी दैट कि किस तरीके से ऑर्डर्स अभी वहाँ से लेता है. ठीक है, जस्ट वेट फॉर सम टाइम, विल बी एबल टू सी ए कैंडल और ज़्यादा बड़ा होकर थोड़ा ब्रेकआउट कुछ तुमको देखने को मिलेगा इस लेवल से. ठीक है, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम इज़ ऑल्सो गुड फॉर द ट्रेडिंग बिकॉज अगर तुम्हें 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे अच्छे खासे सेटअप्स अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर मच बेटर. ओके, what is this is? This is SMT, this level. ओके, वाई ये वाला लो मार्केट ने क्यों नहीं किया? यहाँ पे डेफिनेटली देयर वाज स्टॉप लॉस, राइट. ये वाला लो जब आया था तो ये वाला लो क्यों इसके नीचे नहीं आया, राइट. दिस इज SMT. दैट इज ऑल्सो हैपन्स इन द मार्केट. हमेशा मार्केट इस लो को नीचे ब्रेक करके ही ऊपर नहीं जाता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो हैपन्स, दिस हैपन्स टू, राइट. सो जैसे अगर तुम देखोगे एग्जाम्पल में, यहाँ पर जब मार्केट आया ये वाला लेवल, राइट, यहाँ पर एक मैं अगर लाइन ड्रॉ करूँ, डेफिनेटली जब अगर तुम बाय साइड के लिए देख रहे होंगे उस टाइम पे डेफिनेटली यू विल सी कि अगर कैंडल नेक्स्ट मूव में क्या देखना चाहता हूँ कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसके नीचे मार्केट क्लोज हो, इस एरिया के नीचे, एटलीस्ट इस एरिया तक आए, तब जाकर मैं एक बाय के लिए, अगर वहाँ से रिवर्सल मुझे मिलता है, राइट, इस तरीके का रिवर्सल अगर यहाँ पे मुझे मिलता है तो मैं हो सकता है वहाँ से बाय के लिए प्लेस कर सकता हूँ ऑर्डर्स, समथिंग लाइक दिस. ठीक है, बट डिड दैट हैपन? नो. व्हाट हैपन, इसी लेवल पे मार्केट आया, उस लेवल तक गया भी नहीं, उस लेवल पे टच भी नहीं किया, राइट. सो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों ने मिस आउट किया होगा फ्रॉम द बाइंग. यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोगों ने बाय नहीं किया, बट इवेंचुअली व्हाट हैपेंड, you see the move. This is the move that market has given. Why? Because there is a SMT at this level. And what does that mean? That it doesn't have to hamesha come down below this level and take these orders and then go up. Sometime it can just come to this level, create an SMT, and then it can go up, right. This can be possible. See, as I told you, right now it might invite some sellers, but does that mean that it is going to completely go up? No, the overall structure is to come down right now, right. Definitely there is a structure that is calling it a fully bullish because there is a lot of orders pending at this area as well that BTC wants to take, right. but directly जाकर वो उस लेवल को हंट नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, जूम आउट करना है. अच्छा, मैं खुद को थोड़ा छोटा कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पर ताकि तुमको अच्छे से दिखे. और कूल, आर यू विल टू सी दिस? टिकी, what's your name, brother? What's your name? What's your real name? Tell me. Okay, so this is the structure and this is how the BTC will move. we'll observe each and every move, and definitely we're gonna capture some good ass moves today. Okay, no rush, we have the whole night, don't worry, people are gonna come, everything is gonna come, everybody is gonna come. If they are not coming, they lost, you know, because we don't miss. Let me show you a quick real history of the trading that we took. ठीक है, क्विकली तुमको एक बार मैं लास्ट 30 डेज का दिखा देता हूँ, इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाइक ऑल कर देता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इथेरियम, राइट, दीज आर द ऑल स्ट्रक्चर जो हमने यहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया था. राइट, अकाउंट इट वाज लाइक $2,000 समथिंग. नाउ दिस इज द अकाउंट दैट यू आर एबल टू सी ऑन द फोन. जो हमने ट्रेड लिया था वो फ़ोन पे लिया था, जो कि माजी फाइनेंस. द लिंक इज़ इन डिस्क्रिप्शन इफ़ यू हैवंट क्रिएटेड द अकाउंट. राइट, सो माजी फाइनेंस लिंक इज़ इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. वहाँ पर जाकर तुम ट्रेड वहाँ पे जाके अकाउंट क्रिएट कर सकते हो. इट इज़ अ जीरो स्प्रेड अकाउंट एंड उसका तुम लुफ्त उठा सकते हो 2026 में. वेरी गुड ब्रोकर, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स तुम्हें नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट यू विल बी एबल टू सी at this area, you're getting my point. This candle, this whole candle is manipulating and trying to invite the buyers. ये वाली जो कैंडल है, ये अकेली कैंडल सारे बायर्स को इनवाइट करने की कोशिश कर रही है. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर इस एरिया से भी बहुत सारे लोग अभी बाय करेंगे, बिकॉज व्हाट इज़ अ स्ट्रक्चर. यहाँ पे सपोर्ट था, राइट, इट केम बैक. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस था, मार्केट ने 2 बार यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लिया है. एट दिस एरिया ऑल्सो इट केम बैक, टच दैट लेवल, नॉट इवन टच, केम टू दैट लेवल, एंड नाउ it is going up. So one thing that people can say, first of all, what, that this was the original resistance, market went up, what happened, ये breakout हुआ यहाँ पर, definitely it was a breakout. Second thing, people be like, अच्छा breakout हुआ, ऊपर गया, नीचे आया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, यहाँ पे हो सकता है ये रीटेस्ट हो, राइट. और रीटेस्ट करने के बाद यहाँ से डायरेक्टली बहुत सारे लोगों ने बाय किया होगा इस लेवल से. You're getting my point? This level is a buying level for most of the people. Understand this very carefully. But do you think that market is gonna give you everything that easily कि यहाँ से डायरेक्टली एक ब्रेकआउट के बाद अगर रीटेस्ट होता है और तुम यहाँ से बाय कर लेते हो, डू यू थिंक दैट इट इज़ दैट ईजी? इट इज़ नॉट. नाउ यू विल सी, जो भी लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, ये हमने लिया नहीं है बाय द वे ये ट्रेड, हम बस यहाँ पर ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं. जिन जिन लोगों ने यहाँ से बाय किया है उन लोगों को किस तरीके से मार्केट अभी स्टॉप आउट करेगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सी दैट इन नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 minutes. ठीक है, कूल. इसको मैं अभी हटा देता हूँ. कूल. बहुत सारे लोगों के स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ पर है? इस एरिया पे, इस एरिया पे. ठीक है, ये हमारे स्टॉप लॉस है SL1, नॉट हमारे, जिन जिन लोगों ने यहाँ से बाई किया होगा. SL2 मान लेता हूँ मैं, ठीक है, कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी है तुम्हारा, बहुत ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी के बाद यू विल बी, जस्ट अ सेकंड गाइस, आई हैव अ कॉल टू अटेंड. हेलो, okay, we're back. ठीक है, everybody understand this, get this in your head very clearly, ठीक है. Some people will buy from it at this level, right, and this will be the buying level for everyone, right. You need to understand that यहाँ से अगर तुम buy करते हो, there are so many possibilities that you will get stopped out at this moment, right, because market does not move itna easily. Trust me, when you see all the charts, when you read all these breakouts, when you read everything, you need to understand that market does not move that easily. अभी 3 मिनट बचा है. डेफिनेटली ये वाला कैंडल, बहुत सारे बायर्स यहाँ पर उतावले हो रहे होंगे फॉर द बाइंग. एंड हो सकता है इसके बाद का भी कैंडल एक अच्छा खासा तुमको एक बुलिश मूव दे दे, जस्ट टू शो और जस्ट टू क्रिएट दैट फोमो कि शिट अगर तुमने यहाँ से बाय नहीं किया, आई डोंट नो, आई माइट गो अप फ्रॉम हियर, बट what is gonna happen there, then they are gonna end up taking the loss. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर है. साइकोलॉजी इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड देन what happened right here, what I told you, this is a rejection that this candle is giving. What happened the whole time, अभी ये कैंडल 15 मिनट का है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी केयरफुली. दिस कैंडल इज़ अ 15 मिनट कैंडल. अभी 2 मिनट बचे हैं. ठीक है, अगर तुम टाइम देख पा रहे हो नहीं देख पा रहे हो, आई थिंक या यू गाइस आर एबल टू सी द टाइम राइट. अभी 2 मिनट हुए हैं, बचे हैं. लास्ट के 13 मिनट इस कैंडल ने पूरा मैनिपुलेट किया. 13 मिनट इट वाज लाइक कि हाँ आई एम गोना बाय फ्रॉम हियर राइट. बट व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट, इट केम डाउन एज आई टोल्ड यू. सो दिस इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कि अगर तुम BTC में ट्रेड कर रहे हो, कहीं और भी ट्रेड कर रहे हो, not every setup is to give you money, not every breakout is to go up, or not every retest is for you to buy. You're getting my point? This is a rejection. This is a live example जो मैंने तुमको दिखाया. जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर है, you'll be able to understand this how the BTC or every market, चाहे वो Indian market हो, चाहे वो Forex market हो, कोई भी हो, how they manipulate each and everybody by inviting you, by just creating some structure जहाँ पे लोगों को लगता है कि यहाँ से buy हो सकता है. I'm not saying it cannot go up, but it cannot be that easy. ठीक है, अब बस 1 मिनट वेट करो, तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि अभी किस तरीके से और ज़्यादा नीचे आएगा. एंड दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर दैट आई एम सीइंग. अगर मार्केट इस लेवल पे आता है, आई एम प्रीटी मच इंटरेस्टेड, बट व्हाट इज गोना हैपन, इज गोना मैनिपुलेट अगेन एट दिस एरिया, एंड देन आई हैव टू सी वेयर इट्स गोना गो, एंड देन आई विल सी समथिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज हाउ इट इज. कूल. जो लोग ने बाई किया अभी ऑलरेडी पैनिक कर गए, वो लोग अभी वेट करो. ठीक है, अभी जैसे ही कैंडल क्लोज होता है, जो नेक्स्ट कैंडल आता है उसमें और तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि अभी किस तरीके से मूव्स आ सकते हैं. एंड जब हमें मूव मिलेगा वो बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्ट होगा, बिकॉज जो भी हडल्स थे उससे पहले, जो भी मैनिपुलेशन था, जो स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग था, जो भी जितनी भी चीज़ें थी वो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है. ना वे आर एट ए स्टेबल लेवल कि हाँ अब यहाँ से मैनिपुलेशन नहीं होगा. जितने भी स्टॉप लॉस थे, जितनी भी चीज़ें थी, वो ऑलरेडी हंट हो चुकी है. नाउ वे आर एट द लेवल जहाँ पर यू विल बी एबल टू सी समथिंग वेरी नाइस. You're getting my point? So this is how you trade, and this is how you the structure at every market. The patience is the key. Trust me on this. Do not buy from like everyone is buying, because mostly they are gonna get trapped in the stop loss. समझ रहे हो? चलो. What else? What else you need to understand at this point? ठीक है, अभी कितने मिनट बचे और यहाँ पे नया कैंडल बनना स्टार्ट हुआ. वेरी स्लो डेफिनेटली. टुडे संडे, you cannot expect big moves, but understand the psychology. That is very important. Understand the psychology is very important. Psychology not only with your mind, but the market psychology, the structure psychology, or how market actually moves. Got it? जो लोग अभी यहाँ पर फटाफट सब्सक्राइब कर दो. एंड yes, we'll be here and more people are gonna join. We will be able to see each and every move, and definitely you will be able to learn so much for free. ठीक है, दिस इज़ फ्री राइट नाउ, बट हो सकता है फ्यूचर में ये सारी चीज़ें फ्री ना रहे. ठीक है, सो टेक एडवांटेज जितना ज़्यादा हो सके और जितना जल्दी अच्छे तरीके से हो सके. कूल. अच्छा जी. How many minutes? 13 minutes, right? Not anything very specific. Not anything very specific. अभी जो मार्केट अभी मूव कर रहा है, इट्स वेरी बेसिक. ज़्यादा कुछ moves अभी तक नहीं आ रहे, but definitely you'll be able to see some good moves now. Okay. Okay, now exactly going up again, right? Going up, the buyers who people who bought from here are getting happy definitely, and market is trying to make them happy, right? Market is trying to make them happy. Now let's wait. So when it comes to trading, the patience is foremost one of the most important thing that everybody should have. No FOMO, never, never, never ever in your life have that feeling of FOMO. FOMO is one of the feeling that not only trading, ये हर जगह पे आता है. चाहे तुम ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, चाहे तुम लाइफ में कुछ कर रहे हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. यू फील लाइक यू आर मिसिंग आउट, बट आई थिंक जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था, यू एंट मिसिंग आउट ऑन शिट ब्रदर. ओके, you aren't missing out on shit. Everything is there, everything is gonna be there. Right now it's just your time to focus on what really matters for yourself. That's it. समझ रहे हो? This is no GAN, this is nothing, this is just pure how life works. Okay, if you think that this GAN is a lot of too much for you, then I don't think so you're ready for this game. You know what I mean? So yeah. And another thing that I would like to mention, that before becoming a trader, or before like getting into this very seriously, you need to understand that why do you really want to be a trader? Is it because it has a lot of money? Is there the wholesale purpose? I don't think so. Money should be the only purpose that you should be having. There should be more than money, right? I feel like for me, trading is most likely that that it gives me freedom. That's the only thing I'll most like about the trading. I know it's kind of boring, right? They're looking at the charts and this and that, and people are like, "Oh, what are you doing? You're trading and this and that." No, dude, it is boring, but it gives me freedom. And same time, I am someone who doesn't like to listen to people. I don't like to when people say do this, do that, and like da 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 da. I don't like that. I don't like that, right? So when I'm doing this, nobody can tell me shit. You're getting my point? Nobody can tell me shit. If I'm mastering this skill, then nobody can tell me shit. This is my life. I can spend time with my family. I can do this. I can do that. I can do whatever the fuck I want, right? So that is the main thing about trading that gives me. It should be more than the money. It always should be more than money. ठीक है? Abhi now it's going up. Okay, definitely. You'll be able to see that here. I'm pretty much sure that this candle should reject most probably, or the maximum target is this. You get my point? Maximum target is this. Market will not go above this level most probably at this point. You're getting my point? So just wait for it. I want market to come to this level. Then we'll have something. Then we'll have something very meaningful. जहाँ से हम ट्रेड प्लेस कर सकते हैं. Simple as that. All right. Cool. Nice move up there. Good, it's moving nicely. I like when it's moving. I don't care which direction it is moving. I like the fact that it is moving. You're getting my point? I like the fact that it is moving. All right, we're here now. It is almost catching up this level. Okay, I'm just hoping that it will not cross this level. Okay, this is the max I can think that market will go at this point. I do not want or do not think that it will go above this level, right? It should not get into this area, right? This area is area of interest where I will start getting into like a buying zone. You're getting my point? Or I don't want that. अभी फिलहाल के लिए तुमको थोड़ा वेट करना होगा. देखो, ये कैंडल क्रिएट हुई, डेफिनेटली अ गुड मूव, इनवाइटेड लॉट ऑफ सेलर्स, लॉट ऑफ बायर्स इन द मार्केट, जहाँ पे लोगों को लग रहा होगा चल ठीक है यहाँ से डेफिनेटली फॉरमोस्ट यहाँ से और ऊपर जाके हमें अच्छा खासा टीपी मिल जाएगा. बट इज इट गोना बी लाइक दैट? नहीं, समझ रहे हो, इट इज़ नॉट गोना बी लाइक दैट. सो व्हाट आई वांट कि ये कैंडल एटलीस्ट इस लेवल पे जाए एंड देन उसके बाद इसका रिजेक्शन में आ जाए. वी वांट द रिजेक्शन फ्रॉम दिस लेवल because rejection is very important at this level. Getting my point? So yeah, 7 minutes left. ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज नाइस, एबल टू सी एवरीथिंग. चलो अभी हम इसको किस तरीके से और प्ले आउट करेंगे. नाउ यूल बी एबल टू सी द टाइम ऑल्सो, कितना टाइम बचा है, क्या बचा है, सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से. ठीक है, कूल, या परफेक्ट टाइम, सारी चीज़ें दिख रही है. ओके, दिस माई चैनल बाय द वे, यू कैन चेक इट आउट. दिस इज़ द वीडियोज़ दैट आई पुट आउट, नॉट शॉर्ट्स. सी द वीडियोज़, राइट. सारी चीज़ें तुमको यहाँ पर मिलेगी, बेसिक गाइड से लेकर एडवांस तक. एंड डेफिनेटली विल बी पुटिंग आउट मोर वीडियोज़ सून. कूल. एक बड़ा कोर्स भी आने वाला है, दैट इज़ गोना बी फ्री फॉर एवरी वन. इट विल हैव लाइक मोर देन 50 वीडियोज़, राइट, फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टू एंड. इट्स गोना वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कोर्स इन इंडिया. कूल, चलो 7 minutes left. I feel like every 15-minute candle shows the real character after the 13-minute or the 12-minute. Agar if the candle is for the 15-minute, the real character starts showing after 12 minutes और 30 minutes. इसका मतलब ग्लास के 2 मिनट में वो अपना असली कैरेक्टर दिखा दिया कि व्हाट इट रियली ट्राइंग टू डू. ये वाला जो है, जब हमेशा बोलते हैं राइट कि जो बॉडी होता है, जो विक होता है, वो अपना कैरेक्टर बताता है, जिस तरीके से वो फाइनली एंड होता है, राइट. सो दिस कैंडल इज ऑल्सो गोना शो इट्स कैरेक्टर इन द नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 minutes. ठीक है, अच्छा बुलिश है, इन्वाइटिंग बायर्स, आई कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दैट, आई कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, समझ रहे हो. बट what we'll be able to see, what you'll be able to see, don't be surprised, okay, I'm just saying, don't be surprised if you see this in the market. Don't be surprised if you see this, okay. This is not just a basic M pattern, nothing basic. It has a lot of psychology, lot of meaning behind this. If this happens, don't be surprised, okay. And I'm waiting for this also. I'm waiting. कूल, चलो 5 मिनट बचे, अभी 2 मिनट और रुको. देखा, इस लेवल पे आ गए, और थोड़ा पुश करेगा इस लेवल तक एटलीस्ट, एंड देन विल सी. Where are my people, dude? Like जो लोग रोज रेगुलर बेसिस पे आते, where are you guys? Are you guys lost? Okay. What is ठीक है. I would say nice level. 4 minutes left for this one. Just wait and watch. चार मिनट बचे. नाउ द रियल मूव विल हैपन. जो हम वेट कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है वो मूव हो, राइट, हो सकता है अगेंस्ट भी हो, बट मोस्टली इट शुड बी विथ अस. ठीक है, आई जस्ट वांट दिस कैंडल टू नॉट क्रॉस दिस लेवल. ओके, चलो वेट करते हैं अभी. हाउ इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑन द 5 मिनट, राइट. बेसिक सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर, सेम ही है, कोई स्ट्रक्चर में डिफरेंस नहीं है, इट्स मोस्टली सेम. ठीक है, इट्स मोस्टली द सेम. And even though if it goes in this area, we want the rejection from that area. ठीक है? Cool. Yeah, it entered the area. ठीक है? Definitely a good entry. Okay, nicely it's moving. See, the people who bought from here are pretty happy, right? They're like, oh, I'm making money. Like, just wait, hold on. There are a lot of there is much to it, right? But also, if you think that if you are like a good amount, like a big amount, if you want like 2 point, like a 2 lots अगर तुम buy करते, then I'm sure this is like a lot of profit. I'm sure this is like a lot of profit. But is it sustainable? Only one candle cannot make you anything. One candle cannot decide anything for you. डेफिनेटली इट इज़ इन्वाइटिंग लॉट ऑफ बायर्स राइट नाउ. देखा मैंने क्या बोला था, 2.5 मिनट बचे. लास्ट के हमेशा 2 मिनट में कैंडल का रियल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक बाहर आता है. सो अभी 2 मिनट बचे. लेट मी सी कि कैंडल किस तरीके से बिहेव करता है. ठीक है, आई विल नॉट बी सरप्राइज इट गोज टू दिस लेवल, बट आई वॉन्ट द रिजेक्शन ऑफ दिस कैंडल, राइट. द रिजेक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. what you will be able to see on the 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame, it is the same thing. It is like 2 minutes remaining, right? And it is already at that area. It broke this area and it is kind of showing the rejection from this that area. 15 minute, same condition, one candle is there, and now we'll be able to see if there is any rejection. Cool. Hold your thoughts, hold your horses, and just focus on this. Okay. Overall structure is a bullish structure, by the way. Don't forget that. It is overall, it is kind of bullish, right? It is kind of bullish from this area, but is it like a bullish? No. Okay, it's very softly bullish. But yeah, you can definitely capture some moves in this type of market as well. There is a lot of liquidity pending at this area, and everybody knows that BTC will come, definitely take this area. But as of now, we are focusing on this candle. And 15 minute, it is still there. How many? 1 minute? 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Cool. 1 minute left. Just hold now. Okay. People who are here, subscribe to the channel. Okay. Because daily we do live streaming, and daily you'll be able to understand and take the trades for literally free. Okay. Whatever knowledge I have for more than 5 years, I'm able to give you for free. Right now it is free. I am pretty sure it's not gonna be free in the future. So take the advantage as much as you can. Okay, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Do you think we're gonna get rejections from this area till this area? At least. Do you think? Yes, no, maybe. Fatafat. Do you think that's gonna be rejection? Tell me, Fatafat. Okay, 1 minute. No, it did not. Right? It did not. This area is still there. Where's the next candle? Where's the next candle, dude? Okay, yeah, it's creating. Just a second, I'll drink water and come back. Okay, we here, and yeah, just wait for it. Wait for it. Hello, Ami. What's up, buddy? Long time no see. Long time no see, dude. Okay, Ami is back in the chat, boys. Kaise ho, bro? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. How are you, buddy? Also, I mean, are you part of the Telegram group? Because कल मैंने वहाँ पे sorry, you don't trade in forex, right? Yeah, कल मैंने trade share किया था Friday को, and that was like a good trade. This one I'll show you real quick, right? This was a trade, and you see that like how market went after that, right? I made like $900 in that, and pretty good trade, pretty good trade. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, what you are seeing here, a rejection, right? Rejection off of this level. Definitely, there is like a good double top you'll be able to see here, right? There are high chances that market can move here. This can be your distribution, next distribution, right? So, and it's not gonna be like easy and quick. It will be a hassle, but I would like to wait for some time because definitely I'm waiting for some structure. Done, brother. Done. Till that time, you can just start trading in a way like demo and shit. So it might help you. So yeah, good rejection off of this point, and see it turned into green, right? And yeah, you gotta wait. You gotta wait now. You gotta wait now. We will definitely gonna find some good ass move. इन्हें start कर दिया मैंने last week. Good brother. हाँ जी. So what you can expect from this level? A rejection definitely, but not a very good easy rejection. ठीक है, थोड़ा और manipulation होगा, I'm pretty sure. And then I am interested in selling right now. Honestly, मैं अपना bias तुमको बता देता हूँ, right? I am not really looking for any buy as of now. ठीक है, ये वाला level already cross हो चुका है, good. ठीक है, I'm not looking for any buy right now, honestly. ठीक है, not looking for any buy. Eventually the whole structure is like telling me to buy, but like I feel like that is just not who I am, or not gonna buy from here, right? I'm pretty sure there is more liquidity pending at this area, sell side area. So I want market to take all this liquidity, and then I can think of something like very good, right? So yeah, that is it. That's it for now. Chalo, let's come to Ethereum. Let me just figure out what is going on in Ethereum, right? Same structure, right? Not very Forex total charges. Nah, dude, there is no GST. As of now, there is nothing like that. The only thing that you have to pay is like a brokerage, that is like a commission or spread. So यहाँ पर I think उसको spread and commission की तरह लिया जाता है. Indian market में they call it something else, but yeah, either it's brokerage or commission. Sorry, spread or commission. ठीक है. So I would suggest. So basically, this I'll show you, right? We have the description. And NSC and GST should eat all the profits today Friday. Yep, happens. That's the Indian stock market. So if you come and see the Mazi Finance, right? They have good spread. I think pretty sure if once you start trading, you will not be able to see a good spread in the market, right? Because there are a lot of broker firms that charge a lot of commission or a lot of what do you call it, spread, right? And also there is a slippage issue, this and that and whatever. So margin finance is good when it comes to this, and it's not because like I am like talking to the partners and this and that. I feel this actually is good. I'm personally recommending you, and I personally use this, so there is nothing like that. Okay? So I'm sure you can trust me on this. And it's always like lot, you trade in lots and all, so yeah, you'll be able to understand it. It's very basic actually. um, watch any video, I'm gonna also make a video on it, you can watch and you will be able to understand, no issues. ठीक है, चलो इस लेवल पे हमें क्या चाहिए, हम इथेरियम यहाँ पर कर रहे थे राइट, तो इथेरियम में तुमको अभी क्या देखने को मिल रहा है, लेट मी कम टू दिस एरिया फर्स्ट. Definitely a good bearish pattern, right? It's fully bearish. Okay, what we are very intrigued to see, like this is the point that market has took support most of the time, this area, right? And this area is a good level, right? But at the same time you need to understand that this level is also good because it was like a recent high. Okay, so what I'm gonna mark here, I'm gonna just cut this shit down, come to this, right? And I'm pretty sure there are like a internal highs and internal lows at this point, and what you'll be able to see a good swing, right? A good swing. But what is the swing says, like this is the high that we are considering right now. Not much we can draw at this level, but as you can see there is a good level of interest that I am able to draw here. Cool. And Forex illegal, nothing like that is gonna happen, dude. I have, but it's not fully illegal. I'll be very honest. Okay, if it was fully illegal, then all the apps would have been like, shut down and this and that. It's in gray area. So how Forex works, right? So Forex, they don't have like a Forex trading in a way, like they have something like, oh, you cannot send your money to the Forex banks and this and that, right? So that is how they would like to, and they would like to tell you everything. But how the broker works is very different, right? How broker works is very different. So they don't directly send money to the Forex banks, and they're like mediator, they do something, and like it's not fully like illegal, it's some in a gray area. So I think as a retail trader you should be good. Good, ठीक है. Okay, so what is the current interest, right? This is my area, I love this area, right? And this is my current support that market is going, right? So what is gonna happen, it might go to this level and then come back to this level, take all the liquidity, and then it can go to this level, right? So yeah, just a second. my bad. I'm muted, my bad. Cool. गुड, ठीक है. अभी क्या होगा, ठीक है, इस लेवल को क्रॉस किया डेफिनेटली, जैसे मैंने बोला था, अंडरस्टैंड दिस, ठीक है. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर, जस्ट तुम लोगों को याद होगा. वेट, व्हाट इज दिस. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर तुम लोग को याद होगा, जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पर बोला था कि ओके मार्केट यहाँ से जो लोग यहाँ से सेल कर रहे हैं, राइट, पीपल हु आर सेलिंग फ्रॉम दिस एरिया दे माइट ऑल्सो गेट ट्रैप्ड आउट एट दिस एरिया, राइट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपनिंग. It does not want to move like that. It definitely gonna take this area, and then we'll be able to see this, right. This is how it works. This is how it works. Yes, gold, it's close, it's close. No voice, Tiki, Tiki, no voice. Are you able to see me now? ठीक है. This is a major area that you are able to see right now. Cool. ओके, जो मैंने बोला था, यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी जो लोग यहाँ से सेल किया उन लोगों के स्टॉप लॉस ऑलमोस्ट हिट होने वाले. इट इज स्टिल गोइंग अप, राइट. वी आर नॉट प्लानिंग एनीथिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. आई वांट इट टू कम टू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लेवल, देन वी कैन गो फॉर इट. देन आई शुड स्टार्ट फॉरेक्स right now. You should, that's what I'm saying. You should. There is nothing like tomorrow and this and that, brother. Just fucking start, okay. Even though if you don't want to like trade in like a real money, fucking trade in like demo, dude, like, you know. Yeah, do it for the culture, do it for yourself. So yeah, hanji, so good level, nice. Full on manipulation, what I told you. Just a second, guys. Stay here, stay here. Just a second, guys, I'll be right back. Hello. Sorry. My bad. Okay. My bad. There was something that came up. I'm really sorry. Everybody who waited, fucking everybody left, dude. Okay, चलो. हमने जैसे बोला था यहाँ से definitely sometime don't have to overthink and sometimes you really have to go for it, right? So how it's gonna be? यहाँ से हमने क्या बोला था, जिन जिन लोग यहाँ से बाय कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रीटेस्ट, राइट, इट रियली वर्कड इन देयर फेवर. यू सी, अगर हम भी यहाँ से बाय करते, बट वाई आई वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग हियर, हे आमी, वाई आई वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन हियर, right? There is a reason behind it. You need to understand that the overall structure is like, okay, there is a lot of liquidity pending at this side. There is a good fair value, there is a good gap up you'll be able to see here, right? According to that, looking at every scenario, I was definitely thinking that it should come down, take some liquidity, and then it should go, but it really moved in a very smooth way, right? If market moves like this, right, because if it was not the BTC, if it was gold, dude, it would have manipulated this to next level, right? So this is a good sign that gold is moving in a way that we really want to. You're getting the BTC is moving in a way, in a very simple way, I would say. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be, and we'll be able to see that very quickly. Okay, फटाफट जो गए थे वापस आ जाओ. We are here, and we are here. ठीक है, good move. ये हमें यहाँ से buy करने वाले थे, but we did not, right? Because we thought it's too simple, and it was a good breakout, it was a good retest, and that is how you definitely took this one. Okay, but what is the one thing that you need to understand, that it's gonna come down definitely, right? But is it gonna be that easy? No. I want some sort of setup जहाँ पर अच्छा खासा setup मिले, and वहाँ से हम अच्छा खासा buying कर सकते हैं. Okay, buying या selling, right? It rejected off of this area. You're getting my point? If you would have like अगर buy from here also, good but not that good. You're getting my point? Not that good. So that's why I was waiting for like some good. Can you explain more about Forex? Like low account freeze होते हैं. Okay. So what about the account freezing? Okay, I'll tell you about, like, so you cannot directly withdraw or deposit something like that, right? If you want to safety method, mostly you use USDT. So right, so personally how I do it, let me tell you, right? One thing you need to do, that you have money in your account and you want to deposit in any exchange, right? Your example, you're using Mazi Finance, right? Even though they have a deposit option from the UPI or PhonePe or whatever it is, second thing you can do, that use Binance. Okay, everybody should have Binance account. Create your Binance account and then send your money to Binance account or Binance wallet, right? And then definitely it will be stored as a USDT, and then from there you can directly send your money to the broker. Okay, so use the Binance in between, and then you'll be able to send your money or receive your money easily. So that way you will be able to you'll not be able to, like, you'll not face the issue of account freezing and this and that. Okay, so be careful with that when you're depositing a withdrawal. Most people don't know about it. Most people go for P2P. So P2P is one of the method you can use on Binance only. So through Binance there is a method called P2P. You send someone USDT and then send you INR, right? There are people from India only, the companies from India only. But sometimes the money is coming from, right, might not be a good money or legal money or this and that. So if that money comes to your account and then your account get freeze because of someone else's money, right? So that is also one of the things that you need to understand. And कि तुम P2P ना करो, you should have someone who you can give USDT and they can give you INR, right? Yeah, I can help you with that, no issues. If you're like starting out and you're here daily, right, you can just like I can just transfer you the money and then you can send the USDT. We have that service also. That is not the, okay, cool. That is not the issue. Okay, that's very basic thing. And freezing account is something that people don't know about. That's why the account mostly get freezed and shit. Okay, So that you should not be worried about. It can be managed very well. Cool, it's still going up. Let me just go and see how Ethereum is doing. See, nice rejection off of this area, right? This is good rejection off of this area. I'm pretty sure that it has to come to this level, right? It has to come to this level, and we'll be able to see something good, some good moves, right? Dude, there is no charges. There is no charges on Binance, okay? There is no charges. Sometime if you send money or receive the money, you use some platform, just whatever it is, like you use any exchange, they charge some $1 or like something like that, but there is no charges apart from that. Don't worry about it. I'll make a guide also. Watch some video. I haven't made video on like Binance as of now. I will make one video, or there are many videos available on the internet. Okay, you can go check it out. Okay, boys, chalo, what we can see on the Ethereum, this might be the next move for the Ethereum, okay, because this is liquidity sweep, good liquidity sweep, right? I am not pretty sure that it will directly come down from this area because I need to wait for some time, right? Ethereum is moving nicely, okay? We will be able to capture some good ass moves in the Ethereum and we'll be able to understand and tell you everything about the Ethereum. आज Ethereum में कुछ crazy होने वाला है. BTC still going up, it is going up and it is going up, okay? 50-minute time frame, what you are able to see. This area, it might be the rejection from the BTC, right? Might be the, what I'm saying, why I'm saying, because there is a support that market has took in the previous days, right? So what we can expect a rejection off of this area. You're getting my point? So right now, just buy, like, just because like BTC is moving up and we can buy, no, we cannot do that. We cannot do that. You need to hold your horses right now, okay? Just because that is what, like, we did not buy from this area. Definitely, this is like a basic thing. Like, I know it was supposed to go up because there is a retest here. Damn, I missed it, bro. But like, you didn't know, right? You didn't know. There was no setup. It was just a basic one confirmation. I need at least 3 to 4 confirmation for it to go to certain level. You're getting my point? So yeah, that is how it is. And let me see what we can do here. Okay, wait for the BTC and nice on 15-minute. Nice. Hold up. Okay, good. There is a order block here, right? A good level. I'm pretty sure that if it wants to go up, then it should come down and take some liquidity, definitely, right? See, the Ethereum is giving rejection out at this area, and I'm pretty sure that the BTC will give rejection at the same point. They correlate with each other, right? The both pairs are like they have some correlation. Cool. So just because it is giving this, let me see if people are, if they're selling. Let's see. Okay, this is my stop loss, this is my TP. Okay, let's observe this now. Let's just observe. Okay, cool, nice area, good, love that. Pretty much again, rejection from BTC, rejection from Ethereum. Okay, I am pretty sure that enough for starting out few days income aayegi to capital. Yes, brother, that is more than enough, bro. No issues, no stress. Depend, like, I will personally suggest to you, if you are new and if you are like learning, trade with small lots and you will be able to understand so many things. Slowly you can increase your capital and then you can increase everything for yourself. Okay, so that capital what you mentioned is more than enough. No stress. Cool. Okay, Ami is ready for the Forex finally. Make sure you create account with this one, then I'll be able to help because I have contact with these people. Cool. Anything, any contact, any help you want, they're there. And the spread is very less, so you can definitely think about that, because spread is one of the most important thing in Forex. Okay, spread is one of the most important thing in Forex. I will say that again. Why? Because if the spread is high, dude, trust me, The moves are good, you're making profit, but the amount of spread is gonna take your profit, it's crazy. Okay, chalo. Good move here. Okay, this is rejecting again. You see that? Now, how we can observe this? Okay, now this is my old lines, right? I'm gonna take this. What? Because I'm modifying myself. I'll tell you how. Okay, so BTC moved nicely, right? Took this support, okay, came back, retested, good move, this and that, blah blah blah. What is the support that market took previously, right? On 5-minute time frame, you'll be able to see that this was the support. This was the resistance, my bad, right? Right now, what is it doing, right? It is coming down, retracing from that area, right? But there are two possibilities here. One, market has broke the previous resistance, right? And it went up, and definitely it's going to continue going up. But the second probability is this can be a manipulation and the market will come to this area. You see that? So how do you figure that out? You figure that out by watching the market patiently, and then you'll be able to understand that is it directly going this side now, or is it gonna break out from this side? Because this can be your next level. You're getting my point? So just wait karo. जैसी confirmation आता है, I will tell you all, and then yeah. Cool. Also, like, this is a trade that we haven't took, but this is a good setup, okay? And I'm pretty sure there is liquidity sweep here, and looking at this liquidity sweep, so many people are gonna buy, right? So we also thought the same, but we did not buy. We are just like draw the line that's to see how it's gonna be, okay? Mostly it's gonna be like this. Okay, now it's your time to wait and watch. Noted, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name, dude? Okay. फटाफट जो लोग आए सब्सक्राइब कर दो, share this stream with the people, and yes, this is your time to learn for free. Cool, ठीक है. आगे यहाँ पर अभी तुमको यही चीज़ समझना होगा यहाँ पर, ठीक है? दो चीज़ें मैं तुमको यहाँ पर बताऊँगा, ओके? You see this? It went up again. It fucking went up again. Gold, BTC is moving like crazy right now. It's moving like crazy right now. You see that? Today is Sunday, by the way. Move कहाँ से आना चालू हो गए? 1735, right? Good moves going up. Very nicely it's moving, right? Now we are gonna wait for some kind of confirmation, and we're just gonna get into this, right? Not because, oh, it's bullish, like I'm gonna buy from you, like no bro, not like that. You're getting my point? See what happened? I told you what happened. Took the stop loss. You're getting my point? Took the stop loss. So these two candles were just a flawed candle where they were inviting all the sellers. What happened? People who sold from here, why I did not sold from here, why I just like mark this, right? People who sold from here, now the stop loss, they're out from the market, right? So now it's gonna play its moves. You're getting my point? So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Always think from where people can sell, mark your thing, and then wait for it to take that stop loss, and then you can go for the entry. But at the same point, we do not have any confirmation at this point also. You're getting my point? It is fucking bullish. It is bullish, okay? Rejection. Cool. Both the pairs are rejecting from that area. Definitely we'll be able to find some good setup once we just wait for some time, wait for it to stop continuously moving up, and then we can get some profit off of it. GB being real, okay. J being real, okay. People who haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification so you'll be able to see me daily if I'm coming live daily. You getting my point? चलो क्या हुआ यहाँ से फिर से एक रिजेक्शन तुमको देखने को मिल रहा है इथेरियम में, राइट? एट द सेम पॉइंट यू नीड टू सी इन BTC इज द सेम रिजेक्शन, right? They have some correlation with each other, right? You'll be able to see them moving like simultaneously in a certain way. Blah blah blah. हो गया? चलो अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, फिर से तुमको यहाँ पर एक रिजेक्शन देखने को मिला, बट डेफिनेटली इट्स स्टिल मूविंग अप. देयर इज अ बेरिश, देयर इज अ बुलिश स्ट्रक्चर. कैन वी सेल फ्रॉम हियर? हेल नो, we cannot sell from here. You cannot sell from this area, okay? You cannot sell. You do not have any confirmation for sell. You do not have any confirmation for the buy. Are you gonna sell? Hell no. Are you gonna buy? Hell no. Got it? So just hold your horses. Make sure you focus. You locked in. Just lock into it. Just lock in. Just do this. Do this. Okay? Helps. ठीक है. 2 मिनट बचे. We'll go to 15-minute time frame. We'll go to 5-minute time frame now. Okay? Chalo. What we are able to see here, the movement that is BTC giving us right now. Okay? It is going up. It is freaking going up. Should we buy? No. No buying from here. Okay? Hold karo. I know. It is tough. It is tough to see market going up like this and then not buying. But like, dude, do you have some confirmation? No confirmations, right? See, it's going up. What I told you, this is gonna be your next. This might be your next move, right? It is moving like that. Guys. If you guys want me to like rush into this bullish structure, I can. Do you want me to show you from where I've learned SMC? Like, do you want me to show you? Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. This is the guy, bro. This is the guy. Okay? Understand this very carefully. This is the guy. Okay? Can you see the bio? What is the bio says? I'm your mentor's mentor. Okay? You're getting my point? You don't have to go anywhere else when this guy is there. Okay, this is like a shout out to him, honestly. Okay, the inner circle trader. What you have to watch, okay? Focus on what you have to watch. You have to go to the courses, okay? What you have to come? You have to come to the 2016 ITC mentorship course core. This is the playlist that you have to watch. What you have to do next? You have to go to 2017 ICT mentorship. Okay. After that, what you have to do? You have to go to the playlist, right? Yeah, playlist. You have to go to the ICT 2024 mentorship. Okay. Then you have to go watch ICT 2022. Kidhar hai? Where is 22? There is no 22. 2023 का भी तुम देख सकते हो, ठीक है? This is something that you will not be able to see anywhere else in the market. Okay, this is not by the way who the guy made it. No, this is not the guy who made it, by the way. Okay, there's someone else. He created his own structures and this and that and some own concepts, but he's the main who like highlighted it basically, right? So he does a lot of talking, you know. You'll be like, why this guy talks so much? But he does a lot of talking. But once you understand that why does he talk that much, or why does he like how he really look at market, he does not look at the market that how other people look at the market. It's very different, right? This is what all you need, dude. Getting my point? This is like a private mentorship he uploaded for the free. Go and watch it. Okay, it's gonna be hard. it's gonna be boring, but it is how it is. Tell me, this is, yeah, this one I was saying, 22. You see that 2022 ICT, one of the best one. You can start from 16, 17, 22, 24, 23. Watch how much, all free, all free. Okay, this is the gold mine here. Okay, so yeah, cool. Rejecting off of that area. So yeah, he does a lot of talking, and he's like kind of boring, or but like he's good, dude. He's good. I love him. I like him so much. He just piss people off. That's my favorite thing. When he piss people off, dude. Some people are like, oh, ICT is just like the guy who, like, made like a basic concept in like a hard, like, gave some new names and this and that. But where is the psychology, dude? Because the way he look at market, you don't look at market. You're like, oh, breakout हो गया, oh, यहाँ से मुझे अभी retest मिल रहा है, oh, I'm gonna buy from here. Like, what is the reason why the breakout happened? Why it is retesting? Why it is coming down and supporting, and like why it is creating that like fucking what, like resistance and all? Why the trend line broke and it's gonna come down now? Like, why? Do you know that? Are you aware of that? No. So that's what he'll teach you, dude. Why things happens in the market. Got it? So it's the structure shift of what your brain structure shift that will happen once you understand SMC, ICT, da 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 da. Got it? So yeah, all games. It's you see that the reason. I hope you know the reason now why I said don't buy. Okay. Now you know why I said don't buy. All manipulation, dude. Haha, came down. See? This is level. You get my point? Okay. Coming down now. Ethereum coming down. I'm not even looking at Ethereum. Okay, haha, coming down. Rejected off of that area. Getting my point? Now we can think of something. Now we think of something. Okay, now we can think of something. Okay, a good rejection you are able to see right now, and now wait for more 3 seconds. Enter at running candle or close candle. Never enter at looking at any candle. Enter at looking at setup. I don't care if the candle is this big, if candle is coming down, I'm not gonna enter. I don't enter looking at the candles. I enter looking at the setups, but definitely after if you have setup, and in that setup, if you want the candle to close below XYZ region or whatever it is, then you wait for the closure. You will wait for the closure and then you enter. Okay, not in between. Hold your horses till that time. Cool, Ami? I hope that's close. That's like that will answer your question. But yeah. See, nice. A good rejection, right? Good rejection. But do we have any confirmation right now? We don't, right? We're gonna sell. Hell nah. We're not gonna sell from here, dude. So just wait for some time and then तुमको थोड़ा कुछ confirmation मिलेगा, हमें कुछ confirmation मिलेगा, then हम साथ में enter करेंगे and then हम साथ में पैसे कमाएंगे. ठीक है? Quickly, do you want me to show the yesterday's, like Friday's profit, or you guys like okay with that? I think if you guys are part of the community, you have seen the profit already. The link is in description, by the way. Check that out. ठीक है. गुड लेवल, बट ये अभी फिर से इस लेवल पे ही आएगा. इस लेवल पे आने के बाद I'll tell you what we can do here. Cool, no stress. Okay, it's coming. You see that there are two perspectives here, right? It was going up, it was moving nicely, and then it rejected from XYZ area, right? There is a reason behind it too, but now it is coming down. So people might be like, oh shit, now it has like gone up, like, you know, this and that, and I might sell if it's gonna come down now. But you need to understand that point also. This candle, this freaking candle, and this freaking candle can be a fully inviting, basically it might just inviting the sellers, right? So that's why we're not entering, because we're not the basic as sellers who are just gonna look at the candle and rejection and then we're gonna enter, right? We are fucking professionals here. We see, we look at every perspective, we look at every angle, we look at every setup, every scenario, what is going on, then we enter, like, you know what I mean? So yeah. ठीक है. Pull back from this area, off of this area, but it's gonna come down. You see that? So that's why it might just go up. It might just go up from here. You know, it's just gonna show us some this and like, oh, like, it might just go up, dude. You know, that's why we're not buying or selling. Okay, nice. I want to see from what area it has rejected. Okay. All right. Invalid. Invalid. Now it all makes sense. It does make sense. Now it does make sense. You saw that? It does make sense. Okay, it does make sense. What is my next level here? This is cool. Is it trying to do this? Like do this? Huh? Again, rejecting from trying to like reject from that area. We'll remove this, okay? We'll remove the zones. We'll keep the life. We haven't broke this trend line, dude. What are we doing? We want this, bro. We want this. All right. All right. You see that? Wait now. Wait and watch. I see a good rejection in Ethereum, dude. Same as like, I'm interested in selling, honestly. I am interested in selling. But we need some more. We need some more confirmations. We cannot directly enter like that. Damn! Fucking hell, I just said I'm interested in selling. I just fucking said I'm interested in selling. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Damn. Too good at this shit. I just overthink. What I told you. Hi, gonna come to this level. I'm interested in selling. What I told you, boys. Crazy. It is crazy like that. It is crazy like that. Shit. Definitely, it is creating a lot of FOMO here at this level. Interesting, very interesting. I just said that I'm interested in selling, and it just fell. It just fell because I knew it's gonna fall. It's gonna come down more. If it's gonna be a rejection, then it's gonna be a hard rejection. You're getting my point? So many people just thought of buying here, dude. So many people, this area. So many people bought from this area. Look what happened to them. Look what happened to them. You know, that's how market moves, dude. That's how market moves. The next target is what? This. This. It's interesting to see that how it can change everything. How it can change everything for you all. See, my level is this. I want this. Are you getting my point? I want this. Then might be, I'll think about something. That is my level. And it's falling. Shit. Holy shit. Just imagine we would have just like sold from here. Crazy. Crazy. This is my level. Just imagine. Just imagine this shit, dude. Just imagine this shit. Right? I just said that I'm interested in selling and I just fell, dude. I just fucking fell. Let's see. Let's see if, like, for long how we can hold this. Ethereum is gonna fall. Ethereum is gonna fall. This motherfucker is gonna fall so badly. Crazy. A gap down for real. Did the gap down thing happened before? I think yeah, it did. In like what time frame? This, right? Yeah. This candle definitely gonna touch this level. This candle is gonna touch this level, most probably. It's gonna reject thoda, but like you cannot change the original direction. Is it really gonna change the direction? Then that's gonna be interesting. See, like this is not how it is, dude. Like you're gonna just fall and like you can just go up and then expect us to take a trade. Hell nah. That's not how we move. We move with price action, we move with structure, we move with every single thing. That's the reason. The reason I wait all the time. I think one of the most amount of the time, the reason is that it's gonna manipulate at certain point. So we just want some kind of confirmations, right? Then we can think about taking some trade. Right now it's rejecting. Again, it fell. I just said that it's gonna. I feel like it's just gonna go down, right? And it came to this level, but this candle was not any price action. This is not any price action, right? This is just bullshit where all the fundamental analysts doing everything and trying to like manipulate market, right? This is what they're doing right now. Who have you seen BTC moving like this on Sunday market, dude? Sunday market, this is how BTC moves on Sunday market. This is how BTC moves, not like this, right? I feel today is gonna be crazy for BTC. I have came live on such a good time. We're gonna make a lot of profit today. Definitely 101% sure. I'm happy that it's moving, actually. I'm happy that it's moving. And I also know for the fact that this candle is really not giving me any signal, right? It is like trying to be like, oh shit, I might go up because I fell a lot. But is it really true? No. Okay. If this candle is gonna close at this area, we might see a FEG, a good level FEG, right? And then we can use this FEG and do something with it. Okay, we might do something with it. We might, So yeah. There is same structure. Okay, there is the same structure in BTC. There is the same structure in Ethereum. Okay, and how many minutes? Okay, is it creating that FEG on 5 minute? Okay, yeah, it is on 5 minute. Okay, we'll be able to see this on 5 minute. If this candle close at this level, this will be the FEG. And you know what we do with the FEG? Okay, we test this. We test that motherfucker all the time. Okay. I don't move without the setup, dude. I fucking need the setup. You see that? I need the setup. Okay, I always need the setup. Where the fuck you all viewers, lol? How can they miss out on something like this? I don't know, dude. They're fucking lost. I don't care. I think today's Sunday, so mostly इस वजह से हो सकता है like that. And also like I've been off. I am doing streaming after like 3-4 days. Like it's not their fault. Chalo. Good move. Love that fair value gap. Haha. Give me something off of that. Give me something off of that, dude. I need some sort of this now. Just saying. Okay. So just wait. Now we are talking. Now the market is moving. Now the fucking market is moving. Okay. I was kind of be like, it's Sunday, like it's not gonna move a lot, Bro, look at this shit, bro. Look at this candle, dude. Like, come on. Yeah, I haven't checked, dude. I'll check. Yeah, I need 1K subscriber. कुछ तो चाहिए था. I'll put this timestamp on like 1K subscriber. Like, oh, subscribe to me, like so I'll get monetized and shit. I don't need monetization, honestly. I'm telling you, but like still, it feels nice to have a subscriber. Yeah. Let's go, boys. Get hyped up. Ice is here. Ice, welcome, Ice. Okay. So what we can see here, we can see a good touch up on the fair value gap, and then we can see it going down. You see that? Let's go. I need to get hyped up. Okay? What we want? Either it should go to the fair value gap. It should take some orders from there, right? It should run through the fair value gap, or else if if it's gonna touch that fair value gap and it's gonna come down, right? That might be the setup. An extra source of income never heard after all. Yes, dude. I know. I'm. Do you think I don't want that? Like, I just don't want to sound desperate, dude. Like, I want that, obviously. Who doesn't want that, dude? चलो जो लोग आए इसी बात पे, Amy said that we need to get monetized as soon as possible. So subscribe to this channel, dude. Subscribe करो सारे के सारे लोग, ठीक है? चलो. Good fair value gap. I like this fair value gap. I needed something like this for my sanity. ठीक है? We need something like this. Chalo, what we can see right now. Now there are 2.5 minutes left for this one. I want this candle to go up, right? At least touch that fair value gap, and then we see something. I'll tell you later on what is gonna happen. Okay, what is happening in Ethereum, right? A good rejection. Now it's trying to go up. Not really. It's not trying to go up. You'll be able to see that very soon. It's not really trying to go up. Okay, this is not what we call trying to go up. This is just like playing with you right now. Okay. Same goes for the BEC. Okay, BEC in the business. So you can see some moves abhi, theek hai? At least we want that. This one, I want candle to go, not cross that level and directly come down. Okay, we'll see then what's going to happen in the BTC. What is the overall view? Definitely this is the overall view, right? It is what you can see. Damn, dude. What was that? 1 minute? No, that was a different candle. Oh yeah, it was the same candle, dude. You saw that rejection for 1 hour. It saw that rejection. I think we're going to use that rejection in our advantage. Okay, I don't mind like BTC is going up a little bit, but definitely it has to go down. This is Ethereum. Okay, 1 minute left for this candle. Our next candle will be bearish most probably. If it's gonna go up, then we also have planned for that. Okay, but this area is also very important. You need to understand that, like this candle, this area, right? Most probably this candle can touch this also, and then we can see some rejection out of this area, right? Same thing happened with BTC 2 minutes ago. Getting my point? And yes. Chalo. I got 8 years experience in YT and I started working with I became mature and started taking things seriously. That's good, man. Good for you. You haven't shared the channel, dude. You can DM me. You can DM me the channel. I would love to see it. I would love to see people who are in my contact, what they're doing in their life, because it's very important for people to do something in their life, right? So that's a basic person, that's an advanced, like there's a guy who's like not doing anything much, right? And there are people who are doing everything. I want people who are doing everything, right? So yeah, send me your link. We'll check it out, definitely. Okay, cool. Nice candle, right? It fucking did already entered the fair value gap. Definitely, right? Taking some time. It can DM you, but I don't disclose it anywhere because I don't want to computers to take my shit. Why do I feel you're into AI and all shit, dude? Like, that's good. If you are into like faceless channels, I would be happy. No issues. Okay, no stress. You can DM me. You know the Instagram, right? Just DM me there. Okay, cool. Good rejection. Good entry to the fair value gap. Now what we can see, right? There are two things. If the market really wants to continue going up, it will continue going up into that fair value gap. It will not reject from the halfway that I mentioned, right? Right now it is going up, but I feel like this candle has 4 minutes left. This candle has 4 minutes left. In this candle, you will be able to see some sort of rejection. If that is good, if it's gonna go up and reject above this area, if it's gonna go up also but rejection agar iske niche hota hai, then that's a good sign. Honestly, I'm telling you, that's a good sign. Okay. Chalo, let's get thoda more into this. I don't yeah, you can DM me, no issues. Okay, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. What is happening here, right? Another. I told you, right? Where is this level, dude? I want this level. This level is very important. Yeah. 3 minutes left for this candle. Faceless. Bus name. Okay, bhai. I know, dude. I know. It takes a lot of you. It takes a lot of time. I'm not trying to make it look like oh, it's nothing. I know it takes a lot. It takes a lot to stream also, dude. It takes a lot to create a videos and put it out there, and mostly people don't understand that. It takes a lot to be here, to show up every day. Okay, cool. Enough of GAN. We want the rejection, and the rejection is happening here. What we can see, right? Are we just gonna sell from here? Hell nah. Nope. Wait. Okay, people who are new, subscribe to the channel. We're very close to 300k subscriber. 300 subscriber. So yeah, you can do that. That will be good for me if you do it, and do it because you really want to do it. Don't do it because I am saying it. Okay? So yeah, good rejection. W's in the chat. Fatafat. W's in the chat, boys. Okay. I like that. I like this. Okay, I like this. It gives me a lot of confidence. The setups gives me a lot of confidence. Okay, the setups. I see that. I see that. Yes, man. Yes, it is like that. It is like that. But let's go. Krishna is in the house, bro. What's up, Krishna? 2.42. Nice, bro. Nice. Good for you. Chalo, good rejection. We love that. Okay. We do not mind that. Okay. So right now, what we are looking for, definitely, this is a very good setup. I am sure that everybody wants to fucking sell from here, but hold your whatever off. Okay, Krishna, you came late today, bro. You fucking came late. Why? Bhai late क्यों हुआ Krishna आज? Krishna is OG, bro. He's the top one. And I'm too. Okay, cool. चलो, good rejection. 40 minute. Cool. ठीक है, hold करो अभी फिलहाल. चलो हटा दो इसको. This is what we needed, and we got that. Okay, we got it. अरे यार, कोहली की सेंचुरी. All right, dude. ठीक है. Just by seeing you said Kohli की century देख रहा था, it just I think of something that I look at myself 5 साल पहले, where I used to watch IPLs and this match and that match, and I used to invest all the emotions there, and I used to be sad if they're gonna not win or do this and that. I love Chiku, I love Kohli. Okay, no hate to him, but I don't think so. I'm gonna waste my any emotions in watching something, dude. I don't know. It just plays with my emotions. So I don't really fuck with it anymore. I love to watch. I used to watch cricket a lot. I don't anymore. Cool, nice. I like this. We might enter after this candle. We need to wait for more 5 minutes. I just hope that it's not gonna go I just don't want that. So yeah, yes, it is like that. It is happening like that. Okay. I feel यहाँ से अगर sell करेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाएगा. But I don't mind, man. This is just I feel this is a good setup. I'm in. Cool. Is it BTC? Let me see. Is it BTC? I would still like to wait. Okay, I would still like to wait. Yep, that's why I said I would still like to wait. Yes, yes, dude. I know about everybody, dude. Like सबके बारे में पता है मुझे. I just don't talk about any of the people. Like, I know so many people personally also in the trading industry in India, not the outside, but yeah. Yeah, I know about TGR. I know about everything. ठीक है. This is the reason I said no to selling. You saw that rejection. I'm pretty sure this setup, if I can see this, so many people can see this, and so many people cannot make money. There are a very small percent of the people who think or they will make money. So right now, we want to be the small percentage of people who are really gonna make money. Okay, so for that we need to wait. Got it? Hold your everything right now. Okay? Pushkar basics. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, they've been doing it for like more than like I don't know how many years, dude. I was a kid, like not a kid, but like yeah, they've been in the market for more than a long time. So yeah. Okay, good. I see that rejection and I like that rejection. Okay. At the same time, don't want to be like too much like cocky and like this and that, but should I just say it? It's gonna fall. I said it. ठीक है. Now wait. Okay, we're short on BTC. Let's go. We're short on BTC. Too early, but we're short on BTC. The other OGs of the Indian. Yep. It is. Yep, true. Agree. Okay, we're short on BTC. Chalo. Let's do this shit. I don't mind if it's gonna be like 1:1.5 or something like that. But I gotta take this. We'll talk about it more once it goes in our favor. And if it doesn't, that's completely fine. We have the stop loss ready for everything. Okay. We're at the break even. You see that 60? What is this 60? How much did I buy, right? I mean, you're talking about it, right? The spread. This is what I was talking about. As soon as I entered the trade, it is showing minus 60 USDT. What is it? It is a spread. It is like a brokerage basically, right? So I started with minus $60 with how much? 1.2 lot. If it was like one lot, how much it should be, like $40 or $50? That much I am paying per lot, right? So you don't want this kind of broker जहाँ पर तुमको इतना सारा pay करना को, like you're paying this much, right? That's why I recommend this Mazi Finance. I would have just be in profit already अगर मैं इससे buy करता तो. You're getting my point? But I'm also gonna do that. No issues. I'm also gonna do that. Bro, if I can I show you all? Let's do it. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Mobile phone. Let me just show you all. Okay, how it is on Mazi. ठीक है, you see my phone here, okay. I hope you see my phone here. This is the account, trade, what are we doing, BTC, right? Trade. Let's go for the same one. How much it was? 1.2, right? Shit, did it really went up? Okay, we're selling, right? Same, everything is same, right? We're selling. You see that? You see that? When I started the trade, it was 60 there. How much it was? Literally almost 0.78. You're getting my point? So that is the difference. I hope you understand now. You see it's going against us. You see it's going against us. I'm gonna close the phone on. You got my point, right? So that's why I was telling you that was the reason. I did. I did. I did. I did. Okay. Not a good candle, not in our favor, but just wait and you'll be able to see that very soon. Okay, 34 minutes left for this candle. If this goes against us, we still have the fair value gap on the halfway, and I'm still holding this. We're not getting out of this. No, I didn't do it because I was losing. I didn't do it because I was losing. I entered early, I said, right? That means something else. And you'll be able to see that, no issues. My plan is to sell below this level. That's why I said I entered early. But there are benefits also for this, right? So yeah, just wait. Chalo. The 4 minutes left for this one, right? We want it to like come down, break out, not this candle, but like mostly 2-3 candles. And we want this to break, right? And then we have some plans ready. Yep, it is going against. Whatever the Ethereum, same. If it covers the whole this, then that's a problem. You're getting my point. Okay. No panic, nothing. Pure price action. Don't worry about it. Okay, we got the stop loss. We got everything. Pure price action. Pure setups. One of my favorite setup. I would like to trade all the time. Okay, and that is what I'm trading right now. You saw that? Didn't even blink. I didn't even blink. You know, you saw that. Okay, how much it is in Magic Finance? How much? How much it is? You see that? You see that? It's already $40. Okay, already $40. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I mean, can you all like can you all see that? Can you all see that? Can you all see that? Right? Right? Can you all see that? Can you all see this? 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 This is what I do, bro. This is what I do. Okay? I come, I make money, and I leave. Okay? Live in front of your fucking eyes. Everybody knows this. W's in the chat, boys. Let's fucking go. W's in the chat. What I told you, you don't. Let's fucking go. Yes, sir. You saw that candle. You saw. I've been watching that shit, bro. I've been watching. W's in the chat. Let's fucking go. We're back in the game. Let's go. How much it is? Can you see that? Oops. It is like almost $200. Oopsie. Right? Hit that fucking stop loss. Sorry, TP. My bad. TP. Right? Come on, dude. Come on. Not with me, dude. Did you all see the profit? That's what you do. That's what I do for a living. Subscribe. Chat up the. Okay, yeah, crush the fucking TP, dude. What I tell you, I go for the plan. Okay, I go for the plan, and then I execute it. Then I make money. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Whoever is fucking watching, dude, fucking subscribe right now. Okay. If that doesn't excite you, then I don't know what, dude. I don't know what. I'm telling you all. You need to fucking subscribe right now. Okay. All right. This is what we're doing. Crazy as shit, bro. Crush that fucking TP. Exactly. Come on, dude. Let's fucking go. Okay. I'm holding. The TP is already done, dude, but I'm holding. I might stop this one. How much profit it is? How much it is? Show me. A $79. Just $79. How much it is? $200. Yep. Let me show you. Hold up. You guys might not able to see this. This is very important. This is very important. That's it. You see this? so freaking hyped. I have to flip the screen, but you got my point, right? Hope you got my point. Yeah, exactly. I said that shit, bro. मैंने बोला था. Entry early थी, गलत नहीं थी, right? And because of Ami, just wanted to show him that like how good is Mazi Finance. We took trade from both the side and we won. We won the lottery, dude. Crazy. Almost like $80 in this and $200 in this. 200 and like $80. Not bad. Not bad. On a Sunday evening, not bad. W Pradeep W Mazi. Let's go. Yeah, exactly. So, what do you think? What do you think about the trading? What do you think about the setup? Tell me. It was very easy. It was not much of knowledge, nothing like that. Basic as price action I did, and it was a W. It was a fucking W. Chalo, what's gonna happen now? Is it gonna like stay here only? Nah. 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 Let's go. Still coming down. Pretty much excited. Let's go, boys. Boom, bam. You saw that? Still holding. Okay, let me show you. Oh, shit. Oh, too cold. Oh, shit. Come on, dude. Look at that. Can you see that? On Sunday evening? On. मत कर लाला, मत कर. ब्रो आई एक्चुअली टाइम ही नहीं मिला इससे ट्रेल करने का, ठीक है, बट वी ऑलरेडी हिट द टीपी डूड, लाइक इट्स स्टिल गोइंग डाउन, pretty much it's crazy like that. Subscribe, everyone who is watching the stream, subscribe, okay? And W trade, look at this, how the fuck it came down, dude. So good. Very basic reason, there's nothing more to it. Very basic price action and crazy. What? I'm back. I am fucking mad. Okay. Come back. People who are leaving, come back. W in the chat. ठीक है. Good setup. Good trade. Do you want me to tell you the reason? Haha. Not gonna tell you. चलो, nice trade. I love this trade. क्या बढ़िया था बे. क्या बढ़िया crazy trade था. I told you all, like, I don't directly take trades. I wait for the moment, okay? And I'm telling you, it's been like 25 days, almost a month that I'm trading. Go back, check out all the profits, okay? Check out all the streams, take out all the trades that I took. Hardly there are few trades that I've lost. Hardly few, So then you gotta figure out who's the best in the game, dude. Is that your trader with like how many subscribers or followers, or is it like me? You know. So yeah. And yep, this is what you do. This is what. Let me just extend this. Haha. ठीक है. अभी तो वेट करो. अभी जिन जिन लोगों ने how many people entered when I entered? Tell me this, okay? I want this answer. How many people entered when I entered? Give me the answer. Coffee? Yeah, obviously. Tell me how many people entered when I entered. What happened? Fell down, but I was not looking at you, Ethereum. I was looking at the BDG. So good. So good. Okay. That is why I always say when people talk about like ICT concept, they'll be like, oh, it doesn't work. It is not like that. This is not how it works. And da 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 da. Dude, watch me trading every ICT concept daily. And then see. Alright. Chalo. Crushed it today. Today तो वही crushed it, dude. Crushed it. अब इसका रील कटेगा बढ़िया सा, समझ रहे हो? ठीक है. अभी क्या देख रहे हो? अभी क्या चाहिए तुम लोगों को? थोड़ा रिट्रेस करेगा, थोड़ा ये करेगा, वो करेगा, बट इवेंचुअली इज गोना कम डाउन. ठीक है. दिस वाज, बहुत लोग नए हैं, उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बट यहाँ पे कुछ क्रेजी हुआ है अभी. ठीक है. कूल. Okay, how you should go about it? Basic price action, understand the basics, and then try to train your mind to learn the ICT and SMC and everything. Don't focus on the concepts, focus on the psychology, that what they are trying to teach you. Okay, so the first of all, the main goal is to, the main shift is a mindset shift. When you try to learn ICT and every other concept, the main shift is, listen to me very closely, okay? I don't talk much about it. They're like a very precious thing that you might not able to hear somewhere else. The basic thing you should be focusing on is learning the psychology of a ICT, okay? So what is it? You do not control the market. You are just a retail trader, right? So for to you, like for them to take you out, it's not a big of a deal, right? For your challenge is to not to get out, right? So how you do it? You learn the psychology of the people, hedge funds or the institutions and this and that, how they trade. So now you take your retail mind and throw it somewhere else and take their mind and put it in your head, and then you start thinking like them. Once you start thinking like them, you are a retail trader, but you are actually working with them. Nice to meet you. That's how it works. Okay? That's how I fucking work. So yeah, dude, it's just like, it's just understanding the mindset of institutions and this and that. It's mostly about that. And there are a few concepts that really works. And it has been like proven so many times that it works. Cool? Is it like too much for you guys? Again, I would say subscribe. Okay, chalo. Now, what is the next plan? Yep, just like move with them. Just like that. Just move with them. That's a wholesale purpose. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is the trade we took, and you saw the profit, you saw everything. Okay. And the basic explanation behind this is very simple. It's very pure a setup that I'm gonna make a video on. Make sure you guys watch that video because every trade is gonna be win after that. It's a very basic module that so many people miss out on. If you want the video on this setup, that how I trade and what is my most favorite setups and this and that, you guys can comment down, or you guys can just like tell me on DMs and this and that, that this is what you can do, and definitely we'll try to do that. So today this was a trade, and right now after taking this trade, I don't think so there is any like anything that we can think of, because I'm not gonna go for another trade definitely for sure. So I feel like uh, we can call it a day. Why not? We can just call this a day. And tomorrow uh, afternoon I'm coming live, okay, at 11:30 in the morning. So make sure you do all that. How many total setup do you use currently? Only have one setup. No, I use multiple setups. It just like depend on the situation. I have multiple setups. So I mostly look at the setup and the confirmations and then market structure and this and that. So setups are I have few more, but the only thing is that like every setup doesn't form all the time, so you have to also look at other things, right? Sometimes I just get very basic confirmation and then I go for it, right? So it's just the way I trade, and that works for me, and like you saw that's work that definitely works for me, right? So yeah, that's it for the today's stream, man. Whoever is came, like people who came joined me on the stream, and this is the trade that we took on live stream. Go back and watch fucking W setup or W trade. Okay, thank you so much for watching. People who are here, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, that is very important, boys. Subscribe to the channel, and I will share. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Shabba khair.